This is smallrig forevala u60 USB microphone. The color is black. There's another version is the u50. The color is gray. It works with multiple systems like Windows, Android, Mac OS, PS4, PS5, Linux, and it got built-in sound card. It got 4 pickup modes, and the maximum sound pressure or sound level is 130 dB. This is what's in the box. It's a USB microphone and the USB cable, menu. There is a sticker. So let's open the box. This is the sticker and the user menu. So the microphone is right here. Let's take this one out. Let's look at the back end of the microphone. This is USB-C connection and it comes with the cable. The cable is very sturdy and it got a fabric cover. Actually, this is a USB-C adapter. It's very clever that you will never lose this. Great. So when you're using it, you're gonna plug this one in, supply the power and also the connection. So this is the monitor jack. You can use your headphone right here. And this is the adapter, so you can put your mic holder or arm in here. Great, they got different size, so you don't really need to buy this. This one is pretty expensive too. So that's why I like smallrig product. I think their designer are the real user. They know what we need. For example, this is the one that is very good. And this microphone can turn 360 degrees. Let's open it up. All right. It is made of metal. In the front, there are 2 dials. The first dial is the microphone volume, and the second dial is the monitoring volume. On the back of the microphone, there are 4 patterns. I like how it looks. It is coated with the matte painting, and all the metal parts, it doesn't reflect a lot of light. You can see that the light just right above it, and you can't see the like shining part. In the bottom, there is the foam pad, so if it's put on the table, it's pretty stable, doesn't move much. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.